Oh, that's nice. Right, coffee time. Right, what's up YouTube? Back again with another quick video. I'm just going to give a quick bit of advice. Well, try and give somebody some advice, or maybe some people advice about this product. Right, okay, so we've got the Sony A7 here, and this back plate on the screen, the original one was looking a little bit tired. It looked like some of the glue had come away on this side, so it was like mottly just up this side here. Anyway, so what I did, I came across it actually by accident on Amazon, and it was this product. It's like a replacement. Well, it is a replacement back screen. You can see it there. Yeah, just fits on dead easy. Yeah, so it fits all the A7 range, A7S, A7R, blah de blah, all the way up to the A73. And it's literally a 2-minute job to fit it. One thing I will say is, once you take the old one off, you'll have a lot of glue residue around the sides and over the screen itself where it's been tacked down. So I got some of this stuff as well. It's called Sticky Stuff Remover, Stuck Professional, and that did the job. So it was a quick spray, just like that, over the screen area. Leave it there for a few seconds, and then they could just feel it all coming away. It did all come away within probably 2 minutes. Cleaned it all up, a little cotton bud around the sides and in the corners, and then we finished off with some glass cleaner, get rid of any oily residue, fingerprints, blah de blah. You understand what I'm saying. And then it was a quick pull off. There was the new one was in these two bits here. Just peeled it off. It was all sticky, and it just went on plop, just like that. And it was a job done. Yeah, and now it's looking brand new once again. I am really happy. For £12, if you've got one of these screens that's got some scratches on or whatever, you want to make it look like new again, this product is for you. 12 quid, Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, I'm sure you'll be able to find it in any other country apart from England, where I'm based. So yeah, hope this bit of info, I didn't even know you could buy these actually, but anyway, yeah, it came up for some reason as a suggestion for me while I was browsing on Amazon. So yeah, I thought I'm having that. £12 later, and next day delivery, free of course if you're on Amazon Prime, like I am. And yeah, job's done. Happy as Larry. So anyway, once again, let me just get another quick drink. I am really thirsty today. This coffee's going down great. So yeah, once again, little informative video for you. Don't forget to thumbs up if you found it interesting or helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.